That's incredible. Look at this. Hello everybody and welcome to another Griniflix Adventure 8. I'm Peter Zallums and today I've got something really exciting to show. This is a major event for me as well as for Leica. Yes, it is a Leica box. It's an unboxing and let's have a look what's in here. It's a Leica APO Summicron M lens f2 35mm aspherical, and this is the latest in Leica's lineup of APO lenses for the M series cameras. Okay, it is unboxing, so the first thing we notice, we have Eckhart, who has approved this lens, the general information and also the guarantee. No, let's have a look what's in here. So this is all standard packaging for Leica, foam, the lens, and that's it as far as the box is concerned. And then the big reveal, the lens itself. This is incredible, worth its weight in gold, I suspect. And what do we have? We have a little compact 35mm lens. Well, let's have a closer look at these lenses. It's incredible. Okay, so here we've got a 35mm Summicron f2, 1974 model. So it's a bit of a vintage, this one. So, okay. And then this is the Summilux 35mm f1.4. The floating element version. Also an exciting lens. Now the good thing about both of these lenses is that they're high quality and reasonably fast. So this is obviously faster, 1.4, and the Summicron is f2, so a bit slower. However, the Summicron is light and also small and compact compared to the Summilux. So where does this one fit in? The new APO 35mm f2 Summicron from Leica does a couple of things. Its quality and its detail and contrast and everything is, again, that next level up, I guess, to take into consideration all the new type of M cameras that are coming out with larger sensors, such as the M10 Monochrom and the M10R, like the M11 that is rumoured to be coming out in November this year. Both of these lenses will only focus down to 0.7 meters. This one focuses down to 0.3 meters, which is really incredible. And the way it operates is really quite straightforward. So you would normally have your focus range of infinity, and then it goes down to 0.7, and it stops there. Only momentarily though. If you then rotate a little bit more, you just notice that there's a bit of resistance once it gets to 0.7. There's a bit of resistance, and then it will continue to turn, and you can keep on focusing down to 0.3 meters. All the way to there. Now that is incredible, and that gives you a whole bunch of new perspectives in your photography, close-up photography. Not so much macro, but close-up photography, where a 35mm lens comes into its own. And being f2, it will provide a wonderful bokeh, and it gives you a whole bunch of new flexibility and creativity on how you do your photography. Well, let's have a look how these lenses look like on the actual M camera. Alright, so at least we've got some sort of comparison now with regards to the size of the camera with the lenses. So without a doubt, the most compact lens combination for 35mm shooting is the traditional Summicron f2 35mm. It's a really squat lens, great detail. The current version is about the same size. I think it might be just a little bit longer, but very similar to this one here. This is the old 75 1975 version, an older Summicron, and on my old M4. So that's a nice compact setup. Once the lens hoods are attached, then the Summilux becomes quite a bit longer. Well, not that much longer, but a little bit longer. So you can sort of see the difference there. It's about 5 or 10 millimeters. And then the APO Summicron. Looking forward to taking some photographs of this and sharing that with you. I'll take this out onto the street, this combination, the M10R with the Summicron APO. Do some night shots, do some day shots, high contrast, low light, subtle light, and we'll see what sort of results we get. That will be the next video. Then in a follow-up video as well, I'll do another lens comparison between the different 35mm lenses, the old Summicron, the new APO Summicron, and the current Summilux. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel, supports the channel. If it's the first time to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe and press notifications so you'll be notified when the next video is out. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.